Live unboxing of my baby carrier that I just received in the mail. I just took the tape off but haven't opened it. So let's see here what we got. I'm so excited. This is from Slings. Here's the little heart. And this is a surprise for my girls. It's the little doll carrier. So cute. Love that it comes in this little carrying pouch. Okay, and then the bigger one. Let's see here. I try to get a color for her so it could match mine, similar to mine. But that was the closest one we got. My God, I love the texture, the feeling. Okay, Mama. The little hood. Can't wait to wear it with the twins and use it. Take pictures. Thank you so much, Soul Slings.